Good morning all the students. As you know, I am your science teacher Mahipal Singh Charan, and today we are going to talk about our skeleton system. So you know, our skeleton system is made of bones. In our body, bones are present. How many bones we have? 206 bones, and where in case of small babies they have 270 bones. Okay, and the skeleton system will give the shape to our body. How we are walking, running, kicking, whatever we are doing, that is because of our skeleton system. Not only that, there are various types of bone present in our skeleton system. Such are few are long bones, such as our femur, the which we have in thighs, and in our forearms. These arms are longest arms in present in our skeleton system. Some bones are even short, such as our hands bone, because you can see my hands movement. So here are bones are there. Okay, these bones are smallest, and in our foot also those bones are smallest bones. So in our body, all type of variety of bones are present, and some bones are very hard, very strong bones. They will protect our body. How bones protect our body? If you take example of our skull, our brain is sitting inside a skull, so it is totally protected from the bone which is called as a skull part. Okay, then our rib cage, the chest part where our lungs and heart is safe, it is covered inside a rib cage. Cage, it's like pinjara, cage. Okay, and as well as you know, our backbone which protect the spinal cord, it is from here, it will connect to our brain, our nervous system, to the last part of our body which is our backbone. So these are few hard bones which will protect our body. Okay dear student, as you can see one skeleton system in my hand, right? So this is how our skeleton system looks like. This is how our inner part, the inner skeleton system looks like. So let's discuss few more things about and few important bones of skeleton system. So you know, our skeleton system is divided into two parts. The one is axial skeleton system, second one is appendicular skeleton system, which means 126 bones are present in appendicular skeleton system. So which one is the smallest bone in this skeleton system? So in our human skeleton system, the oxicals is the smallest bone, and where it is present? It is present in our ears. So you can see these are eyes, mouth and ears. So in ears there are one oxicals bones is present, and that is also in again three bones are there that we will learn in further classes. And which one is the longest bone in our skeleton system? Yes, femur. This one, the femur is the longest bone in our skeleton system. What about hands? So in our hands, one pair, we have 54 bones. Yes, so these two bones are, one is ulna, second one is radius, and this one is humerus. So actually there is always combination, 2 plus 1 combination in both hand, 2 plus 1 combination. In legs also 2 plus 1 combination. So in legs what we have? We have the one is biggest one femur, second one is tibia and fibula. Okay, and then here you can see this one is actually patella, which is a kneecap, which you can call as a kneecap also. And here you can see in the back side, this is our, what it is? This is our, yes, backbone. Very good. And here you can see what we have. These are called shoulder blades. These are all shoulder blades. These are called scapula. This is shoulder blade. So this is our skeleton system, dear students. So you can see one skeleton system in my hand.